smapSwood Expert is an add-on module for furniture design in Solid Edge. In this video, we will show you how to design a piece of furniture from A to Z, with the smapSwood Expert Business module dedicated to furnishings. To begin with, we insert a skeleton that will serve as basis for our future furniture designs. This skeleton generated with smapSwood Expert will help us to easily modify size of our furniture. Once the skeleton has been created, it's very easy to design our furniture boards using dress-up function. When creating boards, smapSwood Expert anticipates the offset required according to the thickness of other boards, helping us to save time and anticipate the feasibility of assembling my furniture. This function can be used to create not only furniture exteriors, but also dividers, shelves, and doors. With smapSwood Expert, we can easily insert hardware from our feature library. When hardware is inserted, smapSwood Expert automatically processes the associated machining operations. In addition to hardware, we can also insert configurable subassemblies such as drawers from this library. This allows you to integrate your own standard components and subassemblies, optimizing the reuse of your strategic references. With smapSwood Expert, it's easy to change board materials and textures using the Replace Material function, based on the material library supplied with smapSwood Expert. We can also define the texture and material of the edge band, and change direction of desired grain. All smapSwood Expert features save you a lot of time when it comes to defining material, edge band, grain direction, and texture. In Solid Edge's drafting environment, you can generate a bill of materials with all information and materials you need to manufacture your furniture. smapSwood Expert's bill of materials are specially developed to list all wood metadata. This saves you time in listing the right quantity of materials. It's also possible to display grain direction in the views and show annotation on the edge band if you wish. smapSwood Expert is an add-on module for Solid Edge dedicated to the furniture industry. smapSwood Expert's wide range of industry-specific features will help you design faster, more configurable with your corporate libraries, and more productively and efficiently.